The Bonnie skirt features a flat front and an elasticated back, so it's really super comfortable. And we've got a yoke, which is effectively a circle, which is really, really nice because it gives you that fantastic volume for the skirt. I've added some rickrack, which I'm going to show you how to do. My skirt is really super voluminous. And then we've got the hem down here, which I also want to show you because it's got the lovely lace attached to it. It's really simple to do. Any beginner can do it, and it looks so nice. I'm really liking this. Now my ties are a little bit longer than they are on the pattern, 90 centimeters long. And the pattern they are a little bit shorter, and that's because I wanted to wrap them around to the front for my little model. So I'm just going to do that here for you so you can see what that looks like. The fabrics I've used for this are 7 Berry Baby Basics by Michael Miller. It's 100% cotton, double gauze, and I've used that for the skirt with a polka dot. I think it's really nice. Unfortunately, it doesn't lie very wide. It's only 106 centimeters wide. That's 42 inches. And I used the Rosalinda collection by Michael Miller for the yoke and the waistband. Both are super beautiful, and you can get them in our fabric shop. So let's get started with our skirt.